Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League Season 1. We are all set at the MCA International Stadium in Pune for match number 7 of WMPL. Ratnagiri Jets, led by Smriti Mandhana, take on Solapur Smashers, captained by Tejal Hasabnis. Alright, so the news from the centre. Ratnagiri Jets wins the toss, elects to field first. A quick look at the playing 11. Ratnagiri Jets, led by Smriti Mandhana, will have Gautami Naik as the opening partner, but that will be in the second innings. On the other hand, Solapur Smashers have Tejal Hasabnis as their leader. She's the top run scorer in this WMPL so far and has a solid middle order under her able aegis. Plenty of stories about Ishwari Avsare. And her batting partner is also an Ishwari Saukar. Rutuja Kale with the new ball for the Jets.
Premier League in the coming few years.
We are all set for ball is also an Ishwari Saukar. 3 matches, 50 runs, including the best of 33. For the Jets. Not the kind of start you would expect as... That is better. Loud appeal by Rutuja and up goes the finger like a rocket. First blow.
A good release there, can see the seam nipping inside and hitting.
Solapur Smashers 0 for 1. Ishwari goes out on a golden duck. In walks the captain of Solapur Smashers, Tejal Hasabnis at number 3. 3 match. Walks down the pitch, does Ishwari Saukar and collects a boundary. There was a field.
और ये वाइड, बहुत ही वाइड डाला है ऋतुजा ने और जाएगा ये 4 रनों के लिए. वाइड का 1 रन और totally. She should be aiming towards a bowling on the off stump. This is one which is pitched up, comes in, but very well struck. A good slog, that one. And this one was pitched up again, and this is beautifully struck by Tejal Hasabnis. This is what she is great at grounds in the world. And again picked up by Ishwari Saukar. This one really placed well.
And then the trademark Tejal Hasabnis celebration, and the celebration will continue. The fast bowler Salila Ankola, that she's better than some of the male counterparts, and she is showing that. The previous stroke
Out. That is, she's pitching right up. She was trying a lot to get the turn, but now she pitched it a little.
अच्छी फील्डिंग करनी है तो बिल्कुल यहाँ पर बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट. तेजल
to continue. Hasabnis rocks back, sends this flying into the leg side. The cow corner field bisected with immaculate use of the feet, drilled down the ground, and again a 4, a well-deserved half century. Rocks back, swats this. 2 fielders chasing that, but in vain. Invention from Tejal Hasabnis. The wicket keeper is going to give this a chase. Save the legs, no need for running because the ball is...
He strikes it so well and strikes so clean. This is also struck so well. No time for the fielder. 1 bounce for...
ग्रिप छूटे, ये सामने निकल पड़ी और गेंद हवाई सफर 6 रनों की.
Again takes the aerial route. Will this be a 6? No, this is another boundary. This is...
Also closing to her 50. Amazing shot. What a placement. अप्रतिम बढ़िया गेंद यहाँ ऊपर से मारने की कोशिश थी. शॉट बढ़िया और प्लेसमेंट उस. Now they're toying around with the bowling. ये विचार है, ये प्लेसमेंट पहले से बेहतर है. ये आखिरी गेंद संजना की और जाएगी. ये हवाई फायर 6. अच्छा खासा रन अप है उनका. बढ़िया शॉट और ये टाइमिंग देखिएगा और आवाज सुनिएगा.
And this wicket is as such. The more you play in the conventional V, the more better it is. And नजर लगता
ही जितना अनुश्री का. देखिए शॉट, गेंद लगी जरूर थी लेकिन बल्ले के निचले हिस्से में. Like this to come towards her and she grabbed it with the both hands. 130
ही मिला और नीचे के हिस्से में लगी और एक आसान सा कैच भक्ति ने लिया. और अब एक अच्छा स्क्वायर कट. मुक्ता
दौड़ेगी ये भी दोनों हाथों से. स्टेप आउट करने की कोशिश, सीधा मार दिया है. हवाई फायर है और एफर्ट्स बढ़िया वहां पे, लेकिन बाउंड्री रोक नहीं पाएंगी।
ने अब तक हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर है रत्नागिरी जेट्स के लिए। हवा में गेंद बिल्कुल यहाँ पर है और गौतमी ने बढ़िया कैच ले लिया यहाँ पर।
Once again trying to accelerate. They didn't want to stop the stem of flow of runs, but an excellent catch running in. Didn't get herself into the shin, but she takes that catch nonetheless. Mukta Magrik departs for 11. The Smashers 149 for 3. Wicket goes down. It's just starting to go a little wrong for the Smashers, but very were. One more. Plays down the wrong line. You miss, I hit. There's no strength at all. You can understand they're just so tired. They could screed. Run back for us in the 70s. Good all-round performance from the Solapur Smashers, and work to do for Smriti Mandana and the Ratnagiri Jets. They've lost their last 2 matches. Smriti scored a wonderful 61 yesterday. Despite that, her team ended up on the wrong side of the result when they were chasing 1-5. They've got to go even better. And take a look at this. It's number 2 and number 3, Ishwari Savkar and Tejal Hasabnes, into the 70s. And it was a little bit of a parade after that in the middle order. Anushri Swami, 4 overs, 3 for 22. Excellent bowling figures. It was a little...
The asking rate is about 8.5 into the batting. She's been one of the consistent batters for Gautami Naik, batter in form. The power play is in place. 2 fielders outside the fielding restriction to try and play across the line. Sharayu Kulkarni. Here we go. The first delivery. Floated outside the off stump. What a start. Gautami starts off with a boundary. Here. Yes, she does that. Very, very well timed that. First 6 of the innings. This time behind square. The ball will win the race. This time in the deep mid-wicket region. 6. Watch it, young man. Watch it. इस बार एक बार फिर लॉन्ग ऑन नहीं कर पाए. Anushri joining in the fun. Will that cross the boundary? Yes, it will. The runs coming in 4s and 6s here. Nicely done there. Fantastic. Yeah, what's she going to do? Apesh gone. That's the one.
लगातार रन्स बना रही थी अपनी टीम के लिए. वो बल्ले के बीच में आई नहीं गेंद और अच्छा कैच भी पकड़ा वहां भाग के.
Swanjali Mole missed the catch at long on in the first over. She makes up for that right now. Solapur Smashers. Gautami Naik's gone for 31. 38 for 1.
कैच पकड़ना. लीजिए एक बार फिर से जोरदार अपील हुई है और अंपायर का निर्णय है आउट.
See that too close to cut. Held the edge. Very well judged. Well taken by Damini Bang. Anushri Swami's gone for 7. It's 39 for 2. The first over that she's bowling. Doing a job for a skipper, Tejal Hasabnis. Yes. Apesh. Oh! Almost.
जीतने की पोजीशन में आ जाती है. बड़ा शॉट है, हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर मौका बनाया है और ये तीसरी विकेट शिवाली शिंदे आउट हो गई है.
6 runs. Jets slumped to 48 for 3. With the departure of Shivali Shinde, out comes Smriti Mandana, the captain. Slog sweeps this one, ever so elegant, ever so... Yet another back foot punch. Not many in world cricket play that as well as ICC Major Trophy. Oh, just an edge. Very elegant looking stroke once again from Mandana. Kept in play, no. Shuffles across, lifts this into the cow corner region. It goes the distance for a maximum. Smriti Mandhana finding her group program at LA 2028. Glorious looking cover drive from Smriti Mandhana. Exquisite timing, even better placement. Pierce the outfield with ease. And she motors 16 deliveries. Bhakti cuts this straight to the fielder at backward point. And in comes the breakthrough of the bowling of Anshul Agarwal. What a strike this is, could be crucial in the scheme of...
मैच में भी विकेट निकाली थी भक्ति विराजकर 6 रन बना के वापस पेविलियन में 76 पर 4.
Respite among the Jets fans and the dugout alike. New batter in the middle.
Steps out, goes for the big stroke, Smriti Mandhana, and clears the fence with ease. That's trademark Smriti Mandhana shot for you.
पहुंची वहां पे, ये संघर्ष करके ही पहुंची. ये गेंद बढ़िया जाएगी, सीधी जाएगी, कोई नहीं है वहां पे, और ये पूरा उनको पता.
To the league. Pulled away by Rasika Shinde into the gap, and the fielder could not stop. Up in the air, field underneath it, and Rasika Shinde bites the dust. Another eyes will be on her. And as long as she is there, she can make a light work of this run chase. Add another 4 runs to Smriti's account and
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एक फास्टेस्ट 50 उनके नाम पे और बहुत ही अच्छी फास्टेस्ट 50. देखिए जब टीम लग रहता
huge appeal.
है फील्डिंग का भी मोरल बहुत बूस्ट होता है, तो ये बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट है कीपर द्वारा.
Damini Bankar, the wicket-keeper, wicket that she has accounted for as a wicket-keeper.
Nation Stadium. And out comes a full-blooded sweep. Good stroke that. Short ball and straight into the lap of the short, fine fielder. Speak of divine intervention. And there is Lakshmi Devi in the play once again, this time with the catch.
प्रियंका को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. इन्होंने बनाया 10, रत्नागिरी जेट्स 127 पे 7. अर्शतक बनाया था उन्होंने, जब तक वो क्रीज में मौजूद थी आराम से स्कोर चेज हो रहा था. यहाँ 4 मिलेंगे बीच में.
Oh, this has gone up in the air and a terrific take that by the fielder. Doesn't matter.
This Ratnagiri Jets lineup, leading edge, and very well taken there by Aanchal Agarwal. Anticipated, gone for 2.
यह बड़ा शॉट लगाया है. 6 मिलेंगे जी. ये कमाल का शॉट लगाया है. ताकत भी थी शॉट में और चाहिए ऐसे शॉट अगर स्कोर चेज करना है.
Strike now. Nicely done there. Quick single. Huge appeal this time for the run out. Square leg up.
Yeah, nice and slow. Forward, 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 forward. 1 frame forward.
More. Nyanada has to depart for 19. Jets 149. Gymnastics dishing out the fireworks with the ball in hand. Mighty heave into the leg side. Chance for an easy catch. Sharayu picks up her first wicket of the match. And Solapur Smashers romp to their 3rd successive victory. And there is a message. Baby Devu, this wicket is for you, says Sharayu Kulkarni.
नहीं बनाए थे, माफ कीजिए 75 बनाए थे बल्कि, और मुक्ता की गेंदबाजी उन्होंने गेम पलटाया. भाई एक बार ऐसा लगा था ये स्कोर चेज हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. स्मृति इनकी तारीफ करनी होगी, पिछले 2 मैचेस में अपनी टीम के लिए कमाल की पारी खेली है.
And Mukta Magre made a huge difference with the ball. Solapur Smashers won the game by 19 runs. We'll be